Good evening, students. Today's question from February 24th and 2021 shift 2 question, and this question is belongs to thermochemistry. So now coming to the question, here they given the one of the equation FeO solid plus carbon graphite gives rise to Fe solid plus CO gas. So they given the reaction, and here some values also they given. Substance FeO substance is there, and its enthalpy, standard enthalpy of formation minus 266.3 kilojoule per mole. Delta H formation they given in the kilojoule per mole, and delta S they given joule per mole, that is the FeO delta S, that is the 57.49 joule per mole Kelvin. So carbon value these are, and Fe values these are, and CO values also these are they given. Here in this column they given the standard enthalpy of formation, and here standard entropy change they given. Now the minimum temperature in Kelvin at which the reaction becomes spontaneous. The reaction becomes spontaneous. Then what is the minimum temperature is required? They are asking. So this is the question. So now coming to the question. First of all, we have to calculate the, for this reaction, delta H we have to calculate. Delta H of the reaction we have to calculate. So delta H of the reaction equal to delta H means enthalpy change of products minus delta H of reactants. So delta H of products means what is that? Iron and carbon monoxide. These two are products only. So delta H formation of iron plus delta H formation of carbon monoxide. So this is the products value minus reactant values. Delta H formation of, what are the reactants? Delta H formation of FeO minus delta H formation of, what is that? That is the C graphite also. C graphite. This is, these are the products, these are the reactants. So product minus reactants if you done, we will get the delta H for the reaction. So now delta H formation of Fe, how much they given? 0 plus delta H formation of CO they given the minus 110. So minus 110.5. This is the product value minus delta H formation of FeO, that is minus 266.3 plus delta H formation of graphite, that is a graphite, how much they given? That is the 0 value they given. So this is the values we substituted. Now 0 minus 110.5, that is how much? That is the minus 110.5. Next, this is the minus of minus plus 266.3. 110.5 and this is the 266.3. So this is totally, this is plus term and this is the negative term. So do it. So this is 13 minus 5, 8. Next 5 minus 0, 5. Next 6 minus 1, 1. And 2 minus 1, 1. So this is the positive term is more. So this is the positive term. So 115.8, and this formation of delta H formation they given in the kilojoule. So this is the kilojoule per mole. So this is the delta H of the reaction they given. Now we have to calculate the delta S for the reaction. So delta H for the reaction, what is the formula? Delta S for products minus delta S of reactants. So now delta S products means what is that? Products iron and carbon monoxide, and reactants are the FeO and carbon graphite. So now delta S not for, what is the product? Iron plus delta S not for carbon monoxide, these are the products, minus delta S not for FeO plus delta S not for C graphite. So these are the products minus reactant values. So now delta S for Fe, how much they given? That is the 5.74 plus delta S naught of CO, that is the 197.6 they given. So these are the product entropy values minus FeO entropy value, how much they given? 57.49 plus delta S of carbon, that is the, this is the Fe, that is the 27 point, delta S of iron, that is the 27.28. This is next. This is the delta S of carbon, that is the 5 plus 5.74. Now this value calculate. 8, 2 plus 8, 8, next 7, 7, 14, next 12, 2, 24, this is minus, this is 4, 9, 13, next 7, 4, 11 and 12, next 5, 7, 12, 13 and 6. So this is the 63.23. Now 224.88 minus 63.23, that is 5, 8 minus 2, so 6.4331, and this is 12 minus 6, 6, 161.65, and this is the delta S they given in the joules. So this is delta S value is in the joules. So for the reaction enthalpy we got, so that is the enthalpy how much, that is the 115.8 kilojoule per mole, and delta S for the reaction, that is the 161.65 joules. Now what they are asking, temperature they are asking. So temperature equal to question mark, the minimum temperature is required at in Kelvin at which the reaction becomes spontaneous, they are asking. So spontaneous means what is, delta G should be negative, delta G should be negative, then it is a spontaneous reaction. Now we know the equation, that is the delta G equal to, delta G naught equal to delta H naught minus T delta S, T delta S. So now minimum temperature they are asking, minimum temperature, how to calculate the temperature we need. So T delta H, T delta S equal to delta H, so T equal to delta H by delta S, minimum temperature they are asking. So delta H value how much we got, that is the 115.8 kilojoule, this is, and this is delta S value in the joule, so we have to convert it into the joules. So 1 kilojoule equal to 10 cube joules, this is joule per mole, and after that this is delta S value, that is the 161.65, this is joule, this is also joule mole into Kelvin. Now totally joule mole cancel.